Hello traders, welcome to part 2 of our Q3 performance video report, and how we're going to be explaining how did we actually achieve the 73.04%, and we're going to be talking about the second step to building your sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies. This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our Q3 Performance Part 2 video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Illustrious Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, in the last part, we looked at basically our performance over here, 73.04%. What were the major trades that contributed to it? And we went on the charts to look at it as well. And also then we looked at how are we building these strong, robust strategies, and what are the 3 steps to building a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy. We looked at step 1 in the last part, so I highly recommend you guys, if you haven't watched it yet, to go and watch it in part 1 out of 3. Today, we're going to be looking at step 2. Now, what is step 2, traders? So step 2 is looking at basically the power parameters. Okay, power parameters. Now there's 3 parameters that you should be looking at to building a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy. Okay, what are the 3 stats that you should be looking at?
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
The first thing, traders, to building all these very strong, robust strategies that you see over here, that we are logging it in every single trade, every single evening, analyzing the markets, you can see that the main thing what you really need to know is the first statistics. The first statistics, which is what we know in our 80% OE strategy, which is where is the trade going? Where is the trade going? Okay, now quantitatively, this is not just a subjective way of looking at the markets. Quantitatively, what I'm really looking at for is every time I get a point of entry, let's say from this dot onwards, okay, from this close onwards, let's say from the close of that bar, which I'm drawing over here. In fact, let me just get it a bit more clearer over here. So if I put this blue line here, basically, let's say the blue line is my point of entry. From this blue line here, how much move is left? How much move is left, or where is it going is what I need to know, okay? Where is it going? Okay, that's the first part of this power parameters, the 3 steps. Okay, where is it going? Okay, and the quantitative term for that, where is it going, is the distance that is left, which is also known as open equity. Okay, which is what we teach over here at MasterTheMarkets, and you not really see many places online where it teaches you about that more institutional quant term. Okay, that's how we are achieving all these results. So for example, in the 1-day exit, you can see over here all these trades that we have taken over here in terms of silver and all of that is based on that concept. So every time we get an entry to go short or long, so for example, you see just recently 2 days ago we got this one here, from this dot onwards we know how much move is left, and then we design strategies based on that. Okay, very powerful strategy. So that is that one there.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
where is it going? Okay, that's what you need to know. That's the first power parameter. The second thing after that, you need to know how is it going to get there? How is it going to get there? Okay, now is it going to get there in, let's say this is your point of entry, and here is your target potential here. Is it going to get from your point of entry to your target in a straight line? Or is it going to get it in a zigzag manner? Or is it going to get in a whipsaw manner? Which way is it? We've quantified all of that over here at Master the Markets. That's how you see we have designed TSL primary as well, which caught the move on dollar Swiss over here too. You can see over here on dollar Swiss, trade number 37, it caught a 5.10% move. Over here in this strategy, we're looking for a straight line move. So for example, on dollar Swiss, we caught that on basically on the 16th of September in real time, and it's all logged in real time in our Dropbox folder. You can see that just by trailing behind the low of every bar, we got to our target. But however, this strategy needs a lot of patience because not all of them are going to just go up in a straight upward line manner. They are not going to do that, okay? So you need a lot of patience. The losses will be much smaller, but towards your profit potential, it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of patience, okay? So that's what we've done over here on TSL primary, which got a really big profit in September for 11.15%. Okay, so that's the second power parameter that you must know. So the first power parameter that I taught you was basically your open equity. Where is it going? Second thing is how is it going there? How is it going there? And that is technically is known as maximum adverse excursion, one part of it that you need to find, MAE. And the third power parameter that you need to know, traders, is how long is it going to take to go there, the time factor. Okay. Now, the good thing is some of you might say, oh, Tiro, how am I going to find all that? How we do the research? You see, this is one thing that makes us different is from any other training companies out there is our research-backed approach. Okay, so we do all our research, we got all our research in hand, and even our clients who love this fact about us have come on board, and you see they've even programmed this open equity indicator onto TradingView as well, where now we can do it over 10,000 instruments, and any ETF and any equities, any commodities, any currencies, anything you name it, we can do it. And with a click of a button, you can see that we can see all the OE printed in real time as well. And also based on that, we can design strategies, and also we can see also what is the open equity distance from a large data from before that, and find out our 80%, 50%, 20% open equity distance to project in real time and to create and to produce sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies that we have done over here that you're seeing at the moment. Okay, so that's all the stuff that we have done, and you've seen how we are achieving this kind of performance. Okay. And that's the reason why we are doing that, because we're approaching it in a very systematic, methodological manner. So the second step for building a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies is your power parameters. Just a quick recap. And out of the three parameters is where is it going? A technical term for that is open equity. You need to know your open equity distance. Second thing you need to know is how is it going there, which is your MAE, maximum adverse excursion. And the last one is your time. How long is it going to take to get there? All right, traders. So reflect on your strategies as well, whether you got these three power parameters. And this is how we are actually getting our performance so nicely and steadily. And we are at 73.04% up so far this year on our Q3 performance, and at 1% risk, that will be 73,040 pounds. Okay, a really great start for some of you who are wondering where should you start on this. For beginners and professionals, a really great place to start is a Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course, which has been designed by and taught to us by institutional quant traders over 12 years of collated research. Highly recommend you guys to watch that. All right, traders, that's all from me on this video over here. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.